Hello guys, today I'm really excited because today I'm going to make my all-time favorite soft and tasty cutlet. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, and stay tuned till the end of the video. I've taken 2 tomatoes, 2 onions which are vertically sliced, 4 green chilies, an inch ginger which is finely chopped, 3 onions which are finely chopped, 5 potatoes which are already boiled, 2 green chilies, 2 eggs which are already beaten, and I have added salt as per the taste, quarter kilo chicken. I have added little oil. Once the oil is heated up, let me add the onions which are vertically sliced. We need to fry these onions till it turns golden brown. It's turned golden brown. Let me add 2 tomatoes. The 4 chilies, green chilies, and finely chopped ginger. Let us give it a mix. Add salt. I have taken half tablespoon salt. You can add as per your taste. Once it is fried, you need to add chicken. It doesn't matter whether you take chicken, boneless chicken, or chicken with bones. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let me add little water. Don't add more water because the chicken leaves the moisture. I am going to check whether it is done. You can see, I think it is done. You can take the help of the fork, and yes, it is done. 1 tablespoon oil. We need to fry 3 onions which were finely chopped. Okay, and make sure you fry it only for few minutes. Do not wait till it turns golden brown. Please add green chilies, yes, we are done. Okay, let us turn off the flame. Once it gets cool, let us add the potatoes which have already been cooked. Okay, so I have taken 5 potatoes, medium sized potatoes. We need to mash it. So in this we have green chilies, finely chopped onions, and potatoes. Add only the chicken pieces. If there are bones, you can discard these bones. We need to mash this. Let us add 1 spoon. Let me add salt as per your taste. Let me once again mash it. Do not throw this. Add little water and make soup of it and give it to your children, which is very healthy. Let me make a ball. Give a light press. So we need to dip it. When they turn golden, flip them to the other side and fry. Wow, isn't it looking delicious? I'm eager to have it. Tasty, soft, and of course my favorite chicken cutlet is ready to eat. I'm really excited to have it, but before having it I would like to say that this recipe was taught to me by my mother-in-law. She is one of the best cooks, so I'm excited to have it. Let me have it. I couldn't control, so I had one whole cutlet. Okay, please try this, you will really love it. Very nice.